Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Betano. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to head on over to Google, and now in the Google search box I'm going to type in Betano promo codes. Once I've done that, I'm going to click search, and then you'll be brought to a list of Google search results here. And now if we scroll down, we'll see different third-party sites offering promo codes for Betano. So you can check out any one of them, but one I like to use is if we go to the top and we scroll down, the one I like to use is from sportytrader.com, Betano promo code in August. I'm making this video in August. So if we check out this site, it says here bonus of up to this amount. What you want to do is copy this code here. Now that's copied to the clipboard, and then paste that at the inside Betano to receive your bonus up to that amount. It might differ from different devices and when you're watching this, and these type of sites will always update their promo code. So if you come back next day or a week or month, etc., that you might find better promo codes. And also these promo codes do expire, so be sure to check around and different third-party sites for these promo codes as well.